Hi YouTube, Techmaster here. In this video, we'll be looking at how to set up voicemail on iPhone. This time we're setting up visual voicemail. It's the same process for all carriers worldwide that supports visual voicemail. Let's begin. First, on the home screen, open the phone app. And then go to voicemail tab.
Voicemail tab 505.
It's the fifth tab.
To retrieve a voice screen curtained on. Screen curtained off. Voicemail heading. To retrieve a voicemail, first set a password and greeting. To retrieve a voicemail, first set a password and greeting.
First set a password and greeting.
Setup button.
Hit setup, and then
Cancel
enter a password.
button.
Some carriers require specific lengths of passwords. Like for example, when setting up visual voicemail on AT&T/Cricket, you have to have 7 digits or more. Let's begin.
Enter SI1.
Let's do 8 ones.
1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. SIM pen.
Make sure
Secure
it's 8
text field
characters.
is editing. 8 characters.
Hit done.
Button. Done. Dimmed.
And then enter again.
Re-enter voicemail password at 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. SIM pen. Secure text
The
field
SIM
is
pen,
editing.
that's-
7 characters. 1 1.
Voicemail password.
Done. Button.
Hit done.
Done. Dimmed. Set your outgoing message.
Now you set your greeting. You can choose a custom or default.
Done.
I choose default.
Selected. Default.
But custom, the recording process is the same as you record voice memos. Just magic tap on it anywhere on the screen and start recording. And when you're done, just double tap with 2 fingers when you're using VoiceOver.
Done. Button.
When you're done,
Done. Greeting. Button.
now your voicemail is set up. If you enjoyed watching these tutorials, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos like this. Thank you and have a nice day.